Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 3 and 3B simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our training to solve it step by step. Question 1 is that in cell D5, create a formula to divide the value in cell C5 by C11. Okay. Click on cell D5 is equal to C5 divided by C11. Enter dollar sign and then press enter. Okay, fill the formula D6 to D10. Fill the formula D6 to D10. Okay, format cell D5 to D10 and percent style with 0 decimal places. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. Select the range A5 to A10 and hold the control and select the range C5 and C10. First we select these two ranges with both ranges selected on the insert tab, and in the chart group click insert pie and dot cut charts 3D pie, click on 3D pie. Okay, you can select for these two ranges and click on insert tab, go to insert tab and click on chart pie chart and click 3D pie chart. Okay, on the design tab in location group, new sheet is that architecture chart. Okay, move the chart to new sheet, click on move chart and click on new sheet. XP expenditure chart is new sheet now. You can tap here EXPENDITURES. Okay, CHRT, then press OK, CHART, then press OK. This question is completed. Now moving on next question. As the chart title tab, enterprise fund expenditure. Okay, click on chart title, click on chart title and then tap enterprise fund XP details enterprise fund expenditures. Okay, at chartered enterprise fund expenditures. Okay, on the format tab in the what art style group, click more and the first row click the click the last style. Click the last style. This done. Change font size of chart title 32 and then select the chart title. Click on chart title, click on font size and select 32. This is done now. This question is completely done. Now moving on next question. To the right of the chart, click chart elements and then click legend to the clear to the checkbox and remove the legend from the chart. Right click on this, remove the legend. Okay, deselect legend. Okay, remove. It will be removed. Point the data labels and then click the arrow display menu. Okay, click more option in the and then select categories and then percentage and remove the values. Categories and percentage will be select and then remove the value. Remove this. Okay, this is done now. Okay, and center label position. Close the pane. Okay, with the data label selected, point to one of the data label, right click and then click font bold italic and change the font size to 11. Select this data labels and then go to the font size and select 11. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. Use the format data series pane. Apply the first bevel effect to the top of the pie chart with the width and height 512 pt. Then apply the same effect to the bottom of the pie chart with the width and height of 512 pt. Change the okay. 512 pt, width is 512 and height is also 512. And then the material of the chart to plastic. Click on material and then select plastic. Okay. Select plastic. Five one two, and then width and height is also 512 pt. Okay, question is completed. Now moving on next question. Next question is that to the pie chart apply a perspective below, per set shadow under perspective in the first row, the third shadow style. Okay, click on shadow, scroll down and then click on presets and then select perspective upper left, perspective upper right and then perspective below and then perspective left and lower right. Okay, you can select this perspective. Below. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is that in the format data series pane, under series option, click series option, change the angle of the first slice to 250. Okay, click on angle is that you can click on angle and you can change this angle. Explore the water font slice from the pie to 10%. Explore the waterfront slash from the pie 10%. You can select waterfront slice and then explore is 10%. This is done now with the waterfront slice selected in the format data pane series. Under series option, click fill and then line and then fill expand to options. Click the gradient fill option. Okay. Around the fourth row, click of the gradient. Click on fill color. Click on gradient fill. Okay. Fourth row. This is done now. Now moving on next question 9. Question number 9. Click the chart area to display the format chart area pane. Under the chart option, under fill, click to the gradient fill option button. Click the present gradient arrow. Okay, click on gradient fill. Okay, then scroll down and then presets gradients, and then this is done. In the format chart area, you can expand the border section. Click solid line, click on borders, go to the border section and solid line, and then the fourth column of color change width to 5, and then change the width to 5. You can change this width 5. Okay, I have done 10 questions of this simulation training. For remaining question, or you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.